things that Mosaicist Inc. specializes in is the speed in which we work. When we have our crews, which all work for Mosaicist Inc., they all do different things. Here we have Eugenio, and he's doing the float work. He's a master at floating. He's been working for over 35 years in this trade. Here we have his son, Eugenio Jr. He's doing the grout work that was installed yesterday. The other gentleman is also doing what's called troweling, which is we're installing a troweling method to walls in this section. And so everybody does a certain task, and everybody does something different. And this is the way that we're able to move the jobs quickly.